Welcome to DeFi Club. In this video, I'll show you how to stake in AI TIIP step by step. Let's get started. First, connect your wallet. Click on Connect Wallet. Choose your preferred wallet, confirm the connection, and sign the request. Once confirmed, you'll see a successful connection pop up. If you need to swap tokens, you can do that from the swap section. Make sure you have sufficient USDT and DCOIN before proceeding. Now, click on the stake page. Here you can see that I have already staked 600 USDT, which is why the option shows Restake. You can also view the current contract status, total earnings, total staked amount, and wallet balance. The interface clearly displays your USDT and DCOIN balances. Right now, I have 100 USDT available. When staking 100 USDT, the platform requires 100 DCOIN as the platform fee. Before proceeding, review and accept the terms and conditions. You can read them carefully and then agree to continue. Now click on Restake Now. A wallet approval pop-up will appear. First, approve the DCOIN transaction. After that, approve the USDT transaction. Finally, confirm the staking transaction. Once all approvals are completed, your staking will be successful. You'll see the transaction hash, which you can verify directly. Click on View on BSC Scan to confirm the transaction on the blockchain. You can also verify your updated stake details by clicking on the Referral or My Account tab. On this page, you can see total unlocked generation, total staked amount, total earnings, active associates. Previously, I had staked 600 USDT. Now, my total stake shows 700 USDT. That's it. Now, you are eligible to invite your friends and family using your referral link. Thank you for watching.